Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the body of a senior citizen who was carried away by heavy waters yesterday afternoon while tending to her goats was found today in the lower section of the Sandy Gully. The ordeal has left her family shaken. Here's Kirk Wright with the story.
The search for Miss Beryl Bryant resumed early this morning with residents, firefighters and the police scouring the Sandy Gully. Heavy waters swept her away yesterday sometime in the afternoon. Miss Bryant, who was 77 years old, was performing a daily activity in the Jewsland community where she lived near the Sandy Gully.
Yesterday, the rain started fall and the mother goat them was outside down at the gully, and she went for them, and one decided she go down at the gully for it, and the water come down and wash her away.
The residents knew there was little hope of finding her alive, but for more than 5 hours they waded through the muck and heavy shrub in the Sandy Gully, if for nothing else but to get closure.
I must commend the searchers, the community members, the fire services personnel who would have walked out the entire length and breadth of the gully, at least up to the part where they were able to walk. At one stage we were impeded by the presence of crocodiles, and as such we had to put a halt on the search in that area.
The closure they wanted came just after midday when Christopher Irving, a member of the search team, spotted Miss Bryant's body among debris. It was found close to where the Sandy Gully empties into the sea.
I hear the little goat kid ball out, so I come down here now to find out which part the goat kid there and thing. So I was sitting up on a stone now because I listen out back for him cry out for that we can't find him. Anyway, walk come round away from which part the stone there and thing, and when I look, I see her foot.
Her grandson says he never saw this coming.
Glad we find her, but just me. Last right now, fam, but I tell her straight, me last. I expect to find her in them state, brother. But me, everybody expects that you're smoking that take her life, brother.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.